What matters most on vacation? The joyful laughter of kids by the pool? Or a glass of champagne in an elegant, adults-only setting? At this resort, they decided not to choose and created two parallel realities. One hotel has become the epicenter of family fun, while the second is strictly for those 18 and over. But how does it actually work in practice? We're going to check everything, from the pools and restaurants to the specific details that define these two different vibes, to see where the family celebration ends and true relaxation begins. Welcome back to OpenMexico. Today, we continue our hotel series dedicated to the Royalton Resorts Collection, following our previous episode about Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun. You'll find the active link to that video in the description. In this episode, we're exploring two distinct all-inclusive resorts that share one spectacular stretch of Caribbean coastline: the Royalton Riviera Cancun and the Hideaway at Royalton Riviera Cancun. Both sit just a short drive from Cancún International Airport, making them easy to reach after a long flight. At Royalton Riviera Cancun, all-inclusive means wide-ranging options for every taste and pace of travel. Design here leans toward contemporary open spaces and spacious pathways that ease your flow from lobby to pool, pool to beach, and back. Accommodations range from well-appointed garden or pool view rooms to larger swim-out and oceanfront suites. Many include private balconies or terraces where you can enjoy the sea breeze with a morning coffee or sunset cocktail. Across all rooms, thoughtful details like high-speed Wi-Fi, dream bed sleep systems, rain showers, stocked minibars, and 24-hour room service create convenience without fuss. Diamond Club upgrades bring priority check-in, dedicated beach and pool areas, personalized butler assistance, and enhanced dining reservations, ideal if you want a more tailored experience. Dining at Royalton Riviera Cancun is organized around variety and ease, with roughly 10 restaurants and more than a dozen bars spread across the property. The International Buffet at Gourmet Marché anchors the daily rhythm, with a wide selection of fresh local and global dishes. Several a la carte venues shape the evening lineup: the Mexican restaurant Agave, Tex-Mex Armadillo, Grazie Italian Trattoria, Hunter Steakhouse, Caribbean Grill, and the Asian venue, Taj. Most dinner venues follow an evening casual dress code, adding a polished note to the experience without feeling formal. Bars are woven throughout the resort, from relaxed poolside and beach spots to swim-up counters and the lively Pub and Grill Sports Bar, a natural gathering point for drinks and live games. Diamond Club guests have access to dedicated lounge areas with an expanded menu of premium beverages. Moving between restaurants and bars feels straightforward and unhurried, allowing guests to choose each setting according to the mood of the moment. Within the grounds of Royalton Riviera Cancun and Royalton Hideaway Riviera Cancun, guests also have access to an elegant on-site gaming lounge, Casino Del Mar. The space carries a refined evening energy, with a curated selection of slot machines and classic table games such as blackjack and roulette. Soft lighting and attentive service create a polished setting for a late-night diversion, offering a discreet, refined space to extend the evening in a relaxed atmosphere. Pool areas stretch toward the water, lined with loungers, swim-up service, and open spaces designed for both quiet rest and easy socializing in the sun. The beach offers soft sand and gentle waves, an inviting setting for a slow afternoon with a book or a shaded spot by the shore. For families traveling with children, the resort also features Splash Safari, a dedicated on-site water play area with slides and interactive splash zones that keep younger guests entertained, while adults relax nearby. Fitness facilities keep the energy up for travelers who want to stay active. And daily entertainment includes movement classes, beach games, and walking paths. Kids and teens have supervised clubs and activities designed just for them, making it easier for parents to take a break. Next door sits the Royalton Hideaway Riviera Cancun, an adults-only sanctuary within the larger resort. Guests must be 18 or older, so the pace shifts toward calm refinement and personal space. Accommodation here includes suites featuring swim-out access, oceanfront terraces, and Diamond Club perks. Some rooms overlook mangroves or the Caribbean horizon. Within Hideaway, you'll find dedicated pools, beach areas, and restaurants just for adults. All guests also have full access to the broader Royalton Riviera Cancun amenities. Royalton Hideaway Riviera Cancun guests enjoy access to all restaurants at the main resort, along with several venues reserved exclusively for adults. Restaurants highlighted on the Hideaway side include Ocean Point Bistro, a Mediterranean-inspired a la carte concept, and Dorado, a Peruvian dining venue. Both available only to Hideaway guests. Private spaces such as the Hideaway Swim-Up Bar, Hideaway Diamond Club Lounge, and Hideaway Beach Bar create a quieter atmosphere suited to relaxed conversations over wine or an unhurried cocktail at sunset. Both areas of the resort host spa and wellness spaces, offering hydrotherapy circuits, massages, and treatments designed to revive your body and mind. Whether you choose a deep tissue massage after playtime in the pool or a quiet moment in a steam room, there's space to move from activity into reflection. What ties both Royalton Riviera Cancun and Hideaway together is how each element – food, water, design, service – feels part of one experience. They shape a balanced rhythm of relaxation and enjoyment designed for any travel style. Families celebrate together, couples find quiet corners, and adults discover spaces made for indulgence without interruption. If heavy all-inclusive getaway on the Caribbean coast sounds like your perfect vacation, these resorts are truly worth considering. To help organize your trip, arrange transfers, and select engaging excursions, available in both group and private formats, the OpenMexico channel partners with Discover Maya, an officially registered travel agency. You can include visits to the region's iconic landmarks, Mayan pyramids, islands, and nature parks in your itinerary. An active link to the official website is available in the description. Before you go, if you enjoyed this overview of Royalton Riviera Cancun and Royalton Hideaway Riviera Cancun, please subscribe to OpenMexico and hit that like button. Your support helps us create more detailed guides from incredible travel destinations across Mexico. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode of OpenMexico.